Working with explosive safety over the last few months, we've identified that we would be able to operate more safely if we were able to check the results of our detonations more remotely and uphold the cardinal rule of explosive safety, which is to expose the minimum amount of people to the minimum amount of explosives for the minimum amount of time possible. Task Force 99 picked up that problem and helped us work on a solution. Today we did a test where after our detonation we flew a drone down to take a photograph of the shot that we were then able to look at to see if our detonation had been successful before sending our range safety officer and our team leader down to check the results of the detonation in person. The easiest thing for us was that Explosive Safety came up with the idea. They took it to Task Force 99, brought us in, said, we have this idea, we think that this would work for you. We went out today, we tested it. It took 2 minutes longer than it would have if we had just done what we normally do, and we were able to test out something new that we think we can keep testing and improve on in the future.